guys, welcome back to another windy episode of What's Your Bad Boy Country. I'm your host, Mallory, the Bad Boy Girl, and today we are at Table Rock Lake in Missouri, where 80 pro anglers are going head to head for the chance to be the 2019 Bad Boy Mowers Major League Fishing Bass Pro Tour winner. Woo!
Got it. Yeah, baby.
All right, everyone, if you know me, you know I'm a huge lover of the great outdoors, especially when it comes to wildlife conservation. So when I heard that the Major League Fishing was innovating the professional bass fishing tournament industry with its conservation-driven protocol of catch, weigh, release, I had to see it for myself.
2 pounds, 13 ounces.
3 pounds, 4 ounces.
So it's a few days before the tournament and I'm on my way to meet up with pro angler James Watson for a day on the water. This is Bad Boy Country.
Major League Fishing and the Bass Pro Tour, it's not your traditional bass tournaments. You're trying to catch as many fish as you possibly can. Catch, weigh, release on the spot. So if I'm catching one of your pet bass off your boat dock, I'm just gonna turn them loose right there and you can have them back. I just wanna borrow them for a minute. Oh! You see that? That's a good one. There he is, that's a good one. Now that's a bad boy. Catch, weigh, release.
Got him. Come on, baby.
Championship day for the Bad Boy Mowers Stage 10 at Table Rock.
Like Bad Boys, the MLF are true leaders in their industry, constantly pushing the standards and raising the bar, where competition is fierce and winner takes all.
Jacob Wheeler!
But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're alone on the lake or after that championship trophy. In Bad Boy Country, it's all about great people, great times, and of course, the great outdoors.
So tell me, what's your Bad Boy Country?